The Samsung Z Roll 5G represents Samsung's next bold step beyond traditional foldables into the emerging world of rollable display technology, aiming to redefine how smartphones adapt to user needs. Instead of folding, its rollable OLED screen can expand smoothly from a compact phone size to a tablet-like 12.4-inch display with a 144Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant visuals and ultra-smooth interaction without the creases typical of foldable screens. Under the hood, the Z Roll 5G is expected to be powered by a top-tier Snapdragon processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and generous storage, ensuring flagship-level performance for gaming, multitasking, and productivity tasks. Photography is also a focus, with a 200MP main camera and advanced imaging tech that adapts between high-resolution and versatile shooting modes, while features like a 12MP under-display front camera keep the design sleek and uninterrupted. A robust 8,000 mAh battery with fast wired and wireless charging keeps the device powered throughout the day, and support for 5G, Wi-Fi 6/7, NFC, and S Pen input rounds out a premium package that could challenge both foldables and traditional slabs in 2026, marking Samsung's effort to push the boundaries of mobile form factors.